Well, hello there guys, it's me Omkar. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this bomb devil mask from Chainsaw Man. Step 1. Making base of the mask. For making that we need some cardboards. So cut some strips of that cardboard. And use 2 strips and join together and frame around your head. Just like that. And now make a little circle by using the strips. I'm making this circle because I'm gonna make a helmet shape. And I'm gonna cover this circle with some strips. As you can see, I make this kind of shape. And now use another strip to frame around your jaw to your head. Just like that. And just like we frame the strip, attach the strip to the helmet. And make this kind of shape. And I'm gonna make another circle using the strips. But this time I'm gonna attach this circle in front of the helmet. And I'm using another strip to stick this circle in front of the mask. And make this kind of shape. And follow the same step again, but this time we are gonna stick this circle in back of the mask. And now cover some strips all over the mask and make sure to add as more strips as you can. And now use one strip and attach that strip like that. After covering some strips of the mask will look like that. After adding some strips, I'm gonna cover this mask with some newspaper and some tape. After covering this mask, I add a jaw and a wing of this mask by cutting a big triangular shapes of that cardboard and I stick it on the piece of that cardboard. And for wings, I stick it on back of that mask. I forgot to record that. I'm sorry. And it will look like that. Step 2. Making a paper mache. For that, mix glue and water and get some newspaper. Cut it and stick it on the mask. Again, add more layer as you can, because the more layer you add, the stronger your mask will become. Step 3. Painting this mask. For that, I'm gonna use black acrylic colors and add some details, and your mask is now ready. You can use this mask for cosplay and stuff. Well, thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe if you like my content, and then bye bye I guess.